snow falling on our face for the first time. Yeah. What do you think, T? Got a little snow on you? What do you think? Are you in love? Are you in love? Yeah. Are we on our first walk? Our second walk? Oh, up the hill we go. Up the hill we go. What do you think, buddy? Huh? Say, Daddy, I love it. I love it. The snow is falling. Huh. And I love it. Yay! We're doing it. Mama's out of breath. There we go. Yeah. I love it. See you later. You want to see what we're in? Our cute little papoose. Ooh, that's cold. That's cold, Mama. I got my bear suit on. Got lots of stuff on. Huh. I'm so happy. Love it, love it. Okay, see you later.